This angel food cake recipe uses the egg yolks. It makes a richer version of the classic, and it's still light and airy. Cursed! Big Val remembered to move the top rack. But I will think of something, for I am the world's greatest no-good-nick. Start by separating 8 eggs. I got my learner's permit! Can we take your ship out? Okay, but no going into outer space by yourself, you hear? Woo-hoo! Hop on board, Coconetta! You just made their day, you know that? I know. There's nothing we can't fix with some magic creativity around here. We separate them outside the bowl so if a yolk bursts, it won't ruin the whole batch. Add half a teaspoon of kosher salt and whisk until it's lemon colored and thick. About 10 minutes. Look, one-handed! Uh-oh. Add in a teaspoon of lemon extract and whisk in 1 cup of sugar very slowly and gradually. You want to give the sugar granules time to dissolve. See how thick it all got? And over at your whites, add a half a teaspoon of cream or tartar. The cream or tartar will stabilize the whites. Kind of a cool thing, huh? Wash off your whisk and whisk them to stiff bits. Like this. Sift in 3/4 cup of cake flour. No, you can't substitute with regular all-purpose flour. Cake flour is lighter and more delicate. Get it started folding in. Add in your whites and fold them gently. You bring from the bottom over the top and turn the bowl. Bring from the bottom and turn the bowl. It really doesn't take too many strokes, maybe 15, 20. We like to cut down the middle every once in a while just to check and see if there's anything lingering on the side of the road that didn't get mixed in. Pour it into your pan, and we take a skewer all the way to the bottom and swirl it around. It helps it get into the edges. And bake for 37 to 40 minutes until a wooden skewer or a super duper long toothpick comes out clean.
Uh-oh!
Hey, look at all the pretty fireworks! Don't distract me, I'm trying to fly this thing. Whoa! Cursed! Hey, I need those. When it's done, you gotta act fast, so have everything ready. We're using a candlestick holder because we know that'll take the hot pan. And quickly turn it upside down and let it cool all the way. Yay! Once it's cool, run a knife or a spatula around the edge and the bottom and the middle tube area, just like an angel food cake. Slice it in half. Now, to get it even, we place the serrated knife in one spot and turn the cake around. Gradually move your knife in further. This is such a delicate cake, you have to have a light touch, like a pillow. We put sweetened whipped cream in the middle and on top. We use 2 cups of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 cup of sugar. Whisk it all together to stiff beats. all kinds of fruits and berries. You could even do a mango. Some fresh mint leaves from the garden, too. Look how great this looks. Man, we always eat with our eyes, don't we? We have so much fun here. We do. We always have so much fun. Leave a comment. Jessie gets so tickled about them. Yeah, I do.